In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Don't Touch My Phone app to protect your device when you are not near of your phone or when you are sleeping. In that situation, you need app which detects motions. This app detects motion whenever someone attempt to touch or detach the charging cable from your phone. The Don't Touch My Phone is the perfect app to save your phone from robbers. So let me show you how it actually works. First, download and install the app in your phone from App Store or Play Store. Then first thing you have to do is select your preferred language, then allow notification permission here. Setting up pin code like I'm setting here. This code is necessary to stop alarm ring. Then choose alarm tone from here like I'm selecting this and you are ready to use. Just click here to activate. Before activating, you have to place your phone on stable surface because when you activate it, then your phone in your hand and then it start ringing. Now see how it works. I'm activating it. My phone is on stable surface. Now I'm moving my phone and see it started ringing. Just type your pin code to stop it. Then here you can see this app has some prank sounds. You can also use it, but most of the alarm rings and prank sounds are not free to use it. You need to get premium of this app. By paying 5000 rupees you can get lifetime access, or by paying 1000 rupees you can use it for a week. So I hope you like this video and got what you want. Thanks for watching.